So guys, in this video I have Nikon 180 to 600 lens, a very popular lens from Nikon that was released last year. So since I bought this lens, I'm very happy with this lens and it has performed in very nice situations wherever I have used it. Very sharp images, very nice, good stable videos, and I've been very impressed with this lens. Only one thing that I don't like about this lens, and many people out there, they also don't like that thing, I believe, and that is the tripod collar of this lens. I don't know why, maybe just to reduce the cost price, they just didn't like try to make a artificial plate on this lens that can be mounted easily by sliding on the tripods, and that is a very an easy process of doing that. Instead, that what you have to do, like I was doing, I was using a small plate to mount that on a tripod. Although this is a very small plate, bigger plates are also available. But still, with my what was my issue was that the screw on the plate was getting loose. So because of that, this plate I got from the tripod itself. Because of that, because this is getting loose, I was hesitant to buy a new plate from the market itself. So what I did in this video, I will be showing you how to replace the tripod collar for 180 to 600. And I have over here a box which I ordered from Amazon. And this brand is known as Haoji or Haoji. I don't know how it is pronounced. But the one thing I will tell you about this is it's a very nicely built tripod collar I've seen. There will be others also, but based on the review, this was one that appealed me, so I bought it, and I will show you how I will replace this on this lens. The link of this Haoji will be available on the screen as well as in the link of the description. So make sure to like and subscribe this video as well. I will show you the procedure how we can replace the uh, Nikon tripod collar with this new Haoji, and it's just a quick video for that. Okay. So I'll just quickly try to box it. Uh, we have this pack. We have this type of collar in this bag, and it's a very nicely made alloy aluminium sort of a thing, and there is a screw on that which we will use to use it on the. There's a clip with the screw, and we will just use this to mount on the 180 to 600. I will just show you the process. It's pretty simple. It's not very long. So firstly, what I have to do, I just have to simply remove the plate, which I have. Even if I don't remove it, that's fine. Just show you how to. I'm using this Rollins Pro cover, so I will have to first remove that from my lens. I will keep it just over here. So this was the tripod collar by default which comes. It's nice, but the thing is, it does not supports the arc switch, so that is something a major drawback. So this is um, the old one, the one which comes with the lens by default, and this one is the new one. So in the weight comparison, this is a little bit heavier, the old one, and the one which comes from Haoji is a bit lighter. If you compare side by side, there is not much difference. Instead of uh, the thing that is that it has an Agassus blade, and yeah, one thing that uh, we can say which is not available on this is that you don't have the hooks like the one with Nikon where you can put the strap. So instead, you will have to put the strap on your camera itself. So I have never used it, so for me it's fine. It's totally fine. So I'll just quickly replace it on my Nikon, like that. I'm sorry. So here I will just quickly put it on the lens itself. It's very easy. There it goes. It's very simple. Now, the thing is that I have the orchestra split. No need to buy a separate plate for that. And this one is installed pretty well. And I'll see that how it works. I will just use this on the tripod which I have just to see that how this gets placed. This mini tripod I have already given the review for this. It's a very nice small tripod, so I can demonstrate you guys on the table as well for this. So just quickly mount this on the. That's it. So now things are pretty easy from before. So before I was using the Sigma 60 to 600 that comes inbuilt with the Arcus plate. But now my Nikon 182-600 also has this feature that I installed using a Haoji or Haogi tripod collar. So it's pretty nice. I like this thing. It's very quick and easy. So that's the purpose of this video, and I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like this channel, and I hope that you guys will also plan to replace this if you don't like it, just like me. So I tried that, and let's see how it supports me in the field with the tripods. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.